Okay, wait a minute.
Open
Shane,
it.
look.
Okay.
Shaney. Okay,
Here's your wagon.
Turtle.
So that's nice. Yeah, we already know about this. And then Shane, look. Hey Shane, look, before you get to that, watch this. Watch, Shane. Is this right side?
Uh-huh. See, you can color. Shane color.
You have more magic markers than you ever need.
I'm going to color on the letters. He can do with it whatever he wants. Wow, that's a really good job.
Let's change colors. Here we go. Okay. Pull. No, this end.
All right.
Yeah, right.
Look at that.
You know what to do. My boy. Okay.
Merry
These
Christmas.
crowns are for the paper, right?